Бид яг одоо нисэх рүү явж шүү. Тэгэхээр нисэх рүү яваад нисгээс цочдоо тосоод тэгээд шууд эндээсээ тэрэлж рүү явнаа.
Төлөв. За ингээ манай Fairtex-ийн хамт олон One Championship холбооны шүүгч нарыг тасгаар одоо ирсэн байна. За ингээ One Championship холбооны шүүгч нар. За.
Fairtex Mongolia.
Again, hello.
Hello.
How do you feel this outfit?
This is very nice.
Тэр яг одоо тэрж стар дээр ирсэн өдрийнхөө хаалыг хүлээж энэ хоёр хүнд Монгол улсыг танилцуулж байгаа да. Их баяртай байна.
Fairtex-ийн дээр.
Яа.
Долоо найр скайп шүү дээ. Like a boar? Yeah, crazy big.
Хонгаха халуун чулуу барих чинь ямар учирлээ?
Энэ ядаргаа тайлбар гэж үздэг. Мөн нөө хий хуур айлгаж. Биеийн халууныг тогтчихно.
Оо, ямар амар халуун шүү дээ.
See, it's okay, right? Oh, that one's gonna be
Burning.
how much hotter it is.
Бид хэд өглөө яг 7 цагт сэрдгээрээ сэрлээ. Хүүхдүүд минь агаарт гараад илүү агаарт цуглаад унтах болоо гэсэн чинь. Унтах цагтаа унтаад, сэрэх цагтаа сэрлээ. Одоо яг өглөөний цагаа уух гад хүлээцгээж байна. Би санараа миний өглөөний цагаа уучих. Аав хажууд очиж суучих.
How's your vacation?
It was very good. The weather was a bit cold yesterday, but now is perfect. And the scenery is really nice. I liked it too. Beautiful.
It's work, but yeah, you can call it a vacation also, and all of you are treating us well.
ครับสวัสดีครับมองโกเลียครับใช่ครับครั้งแรกครับแต่รู้สึกดีมากครับชอบมองโกเลียครับ
I enjoy watching the fights, obviously. And I enjoy the travel. We get to go to a bunch of different countries, see a bunch of different things, and I enjoy the people I work with and meet. A very good team at One. Everybody's fun to work with, and when we go to these new places, we travel together and meet other people in the MMA and Muay Thai industry, so it's fun. First is because it's fun. Second is because it's good to be active, keep your body healthy. And you learn a lot of things from sports, especially like team sports and even MMA, which is individual, but you train with a team.
When I teach the little kids, I always tell them that's the most important thing about any sort of sport. When we do jiu-jitsu or we do boxing or MMA, they learn how to lose, they learn how to fix their mistakes, and they learn how to come back and get better. And that works for everything, whether you're studying, whether you're doing sport, whether you're doing anything. Learn how to lose and then improve, and then you can get better at anything.
You learn to work well with others and different things like that.
I started wrestling when I was 12, but even I did some sports before that, like basketball when I was like 10. But yeah, I started martial arts with wrestling when I was 12. I think the most important thing about sports, and martial arts in particular, is you learn how to lose. Because every time that you lose, you can get better and get better and get better. Nobody's great at anything the first time that they do it. You have to lose and you have to figure out what you did wrong so that way you could improve over time.
Sports, in my opinion, also builds your social skills. You know, also develop perhaps leadership. You're better. You need to learn how to nurture the younger ones. You know, and you also need to be a team player because when you train, you don't want to be the best. You want your partner to be strong, so you climb. If you strong partner down, no, you train him best, then you go and train him best. And good challenge, I think is important.
Thank you, Mongolia, for having me. This is one of my favorite places to be to. I love it here. I'm definitely going to come back, and the hospitality is excellent.
Шүүгчтэй аваад тэрэлжийн Мэлхий ад дээр ирсэн байна. Тэг мэдээж тэрэлжид ирсэн юм чи Мэлхий адыг үзүүлэхгүй болохгүй бах гэж. Тэгээд бид одоо Мэлхий адаа үзчихэд ер нь шүүгчд маань буудлын руугаа бид нар гэрэлтөөгөө явна.